Howdy, boys and girls.
That's my
Welcome to Kilts Culture. I am sick, and this is tired. I am Rocky, and this is Erik.
Yo.
Today, special treat. We're here. We're alive. That's
We
the special
made it.
treat. Yeah, we didn't cancel the show. As you may or may not hear, my voice is not the best today. So, I apologize in advance for any sniffling or crackling of said voice. However, we suffer for our art. We are still here for you people.
I was gonna say, on the plus side, you could do a really good Gilbert Godfrey right now.
No, he's more nasally. He's up. He's higher. It's more like Harvey or Harvey. What's the other comedian? Had like the 5 o'clock shadow beard. Harvey something.
Yeah.
Harvey something.
Oh, it's gonna
Or
bother
not
me.
Weinstein.
Oh, we
That's
should
not-
mention we got
that's the bad guy.
Ian in the MC
Oh, yeah.
chair today because Mac is off shooting the Kaiser's troops.
Is it Weinberg? Harvey Weinberg.
No, that doesn't
I don't know.
sound right
Damn it.
either. It's gonna really bother me now.
If you're out there and know who the heck I'm talking about, the guy that talks like this, the bigger guy.
yeah. Independence Day.
Yeah, him. Anyway, special treat. Woo. Today we have, from our good friend Stephen Small, the Glenlivet Enigma. Ooh. This is part of their mystery series. I don't know. There was they did a couple of these, right?
Code series.
They
I
did
think it's
Code
called, right?
series and they did the
Yeah.
Enigma. I don't know. It's something from Glenlivet. So we cheated. We got the tasting notes. If you don't want to cheat, don't listen. Turn us off right now. There was like a puzzle, a crossword puzzle thing that you had to do. Took like an hour or something like that to get all the code
To get the
all the
tasting
data
notes?
for the tasting notes. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Nice.
yes, unfortunately.
What a clever gimmick.
Yes, it is a clever gimmick. Unfortunately, I didn't do it. That sounded like too much effort, frankly. So I am pouring out this right here. Mr. Ian, why don't you come collect your glass as I spilled little drips of this all over the place?
This will cure your cold.
We'll find out.
Is
And
that-
while you're here, why don't you tell us about what tartan you're wearing, Ian? Is that enough scotch?
I am wearing the Dark Island Peat Tartan, part of the Hebridean line from House of Edgar.
That's
and,
lovely.
And you got that style and sporting on today, too.
Yep.
Ooh.
Highland Coo sport,
Moo.
made from Highland Coo fur.
Exactly.
Highland Cove.
And Mr. Erik, there's yours. What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing Scott Green Weathered. One of our favorites around here, actually.
It is.
Yep.
Today, I am wearing, you can't really see it well on the thing there, I am wearing Stewart Hunting Tweed. Stewart Hunting Weathered Tweed. So it's pretty cool tweed tartan from Martin Mills. Yeah, I dig it. A little warm, but not bad.
Is it? Really?
Yes,
Okay.
because it's tweed. All right. And you have tasting notes for
I do.
the Enigma.
Okay, so should we talk about the nose first? Since we're gonna sniff it first.
It's a sophisticated single malt Scotch whiskey matured in mixture of America oak barrels and finished in ex-Canadian first fill rye barrels.
For the record, that the text on the screen actually came literally directly from their website. That is not typos on our part. That is exactly how they have it on their webpage.
What do you mean? I call them America oak barrels all the time.
America oak barrels.
Yes, and ex-Canadians. they killed the Canadians. So, all right.
We're looking at, for the nose, we're looking at baked red apple, creamy toffee, and cinnamon, combined with delicate floral aromas and a touch of violet on the nose.
Touch of violet.
I'm maybe getting one of these things. This all sounds
Yeah.
like hot nonsense to me.
I'm sick, so I
hot
got
nonsense.
Yeah.
Hot nonsense.
That sounds like a cocktail.
It's prepared it. They've prepared it in advance. They've cooked the nonsense.
Yes, it's much better than the lukewarm nonsense that we
Yeah.
normally have.
Yes. Very, very true. Very true.
Tepid nonsense.
I get uneven nonsense. It's just like in the microwave. It's just like it's cold in the center and overdone.
Fair.
essentially.
I get a lot of alcohol smell.
I think I'm getting that baked red apple a little bit.
I'm
It
getting
has like that alcoholic apple drink, hot,
kinda.
hot apple.
Yeah, I mean, I'm getting like
Okay.
a slight cinnamony and a, caramel.
Yeah, I get the cinnamony
But
a
yeah,
little
a lot
bit.
of alcohol.
I get Dayquil.
That's what you
Talk
had
about
before.
cocktails.
Just pour a little bit of that
Oh,
in.
dude, I'm off the rails today. I got Dayquil, I got my caffeine drinks, I got my coffee, I got scotch. Phew, it's going to be a great show, guys.
Not that I'm saying it will be, because I've never had it, but if this is as bad as the smoke cat, maybe you mix a little Dayquil in there to water it down.
All right.
Nice.
All right, let's give it a little sippy sip.
Launch it.
So we're looking at fruity aromas of pears and juicy pineapple, followed by spicy flavors of sweet ginger, licorice root, and subtle fresh mint leaves on the palate.
And if you don't get all of that, you're a complete loser.
I'm literally tearing up. It's burning my sore
It's so
throat.
freaking... Yeah, okay. It is so burny.
It's burning my sore throat. Oh, this is spectacular. Quick, say something emotional so it looks like I'm crying on purpose.
Run the ad. Run the ad.
Run the new ad. Yeah, there you go. Oh, we should have done that. We should have had them load that into...
Yeah, I know. We try not to make it too commercially.
It's very burny and very short for me on the palate, and very sweet, oddly enough. Getting that, Mr. Rager.
I'm getting the oak. I'm getting a little bit of the sweet. It's my flavor meter is whacked today.
It's really hot.
Yeah. I feel it like it warms my mouth and, and gullet and all the way down.
Yeah, it's...
Yeah,
Sweet.
it's not like peppery hot. It's just it's
That
warm in my
alcoholic
guts.
warmness. Yeah.
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 If I came in from like shoveling snow, maybe
you
something
do.
like this, warm you up. Oh yeah. All right, let's
Put a little water.
yeah. Open it up with a drop.
Have it up with a drop. Governor.
The finish is described as a long, fruity, and refreshing finish.
What finish?
Yeah. Wouldn't say long. Or particularly fruity.
I'm getting the sweet you guys are describing. I'm not picking up on any of these specific fruit flavors or
Right.
spicy flavors.
Not
but
red
yeah,
fruit.
I'm just getting sweet.
Sweet, a little bit of that hot warmth.
Yeah, just slightly cinnamony, caramelly, very sweet, and then
Maybe talk myself into to getting a little bit of that ginger, but I that might be the power of suggestion there. So we do have one question related to
Yeah.
this.
Go
How
ahead.
does it compare to the other Glenlivets that you have tried, or was that already answered?
I don't think we
wow,
answered that.
it's been a long time since we have one. Would you remember?
I don't remember specifically because it has been a while since we had one.
I think I remember liking the last Glenlivet we had,
That's what I was about to say.
and this is not that.
This is not one that I like.
Yeah,
It's not cheap either.
that's
It's-
the thing. Yeah,
I think it was we look up, not that we're trying to, look at the price of gifts, but we looked at it. We try to look them up just to give you guys an idea of what it would cost to drink such a thing. And I think it was like about $150. So
I saw anywhere from like 130 up to 200, depending on who was selling it.
I would say this: if I bought this, I would be annoyed at that price. It's not horrible, but it's not a $150 bottle.
I don't.
I'll take Oban
Yeah.
18 every day of the week over this.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Absolutely.
Twice on Sundays.
Absolutely.
All right, Mr. Ian. Let's formally judge this.
So I wish I didn't already know that it was pricey, because that is kind of skewing my thoughts.
You have
here.
to know that it's priced. That it has to factor in.
Yeah.
It's not
That
the
brings me
entire
down,
thing.
Brings it down a little bit.
I know, but it has to factor in some.
Yeah.
It's value as well as quality.
I feel bad rating it so low because it was mighty Stephen big of our friend to share this
Yeah.
with us.
Yeah.
Don't. I am saying this for everyone out there and for you. We always give an honest opinion.
Yeah.
If we don't like it, we don't say we don't like it.
Right.
So we're not trying to be rude about gifts, but we're never going
Yeah.
to lie, and that's the point.
I'm not a fan. Part of that is as my palate has changed over the years. I definitely go for the smokier now. Glenlivet is definitely not a smoky style of Scotch, so I shouldn't expect that. So it's a little unfair to bring that to the table. But I can't see myself ever buying this. I got to go 3.
Ooh, wow, that's
3-0?
out of 10.
super low.
Yeah, out of 10.
Yeah.
Out of 10.
Yeah, and I think I might
Have you
have
seen the show before? You know it's out of 10.
I don't watch the show. I might have said 4 if I didn't know it was expensive, because it's not bad. It just, I don't know, it's not for me. If it's pricey, it's even lower.
Oh, the water cut it down a little bit, and I'm gonna have to buffer mine a little bit because I'm not getting everything due to cold. So,
Well, welcome to my world, my poorly developed palate. I don't dislike it as much as I did. That's a great way to start it. The one we had last month with the what was it
they all run together.
It was
for a
the
while.
that we had last month, which I didn't like, and I gave it like my lowest rating ever.
Right.
It's like a 4 or something. I would call this about, I'll say a 4.3. Like I'm expecting it after it's been able to breathe a bit, it's gonna improve. But it's not as complex as they're trying to make it sound. I'm not. It's funny because it's like every time we have something that has like any kind of a gimmicky name to it or something, I get biased against it too early. You know what I mean? It's kind of like
It's like video games based on movies. They're never as good as the movie because they're rushed to come out.
or movies based on video games.
That'd be weird. I know what's happened, but yeah.
Insert Witcher reference.
So
here.
you're 4-3, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. I'm about a 4-5. If it's the only thing that was there, sure, I'll drink it. But it's not what I was hoping. Not what I was hoping. I appreciate Stephen Small's gift. Thank you very much, Stephen. Do not let this poor score dissuade you from giving us more scotch.
In fact, you might have to, just as a control. You know.
Exactly.
The
No, we appreciate it very much.
It's funny because we were joking in the department all week about how it's like it's an enigma because they basically went around to all the barrels in the building and just took, what do we got left? I don't know. Okay, that's good. What's in it? Who knows?
What's the
Or it's sabotage. It's a German whiskey.
Listen, all of y'all.
It's the Enigma whiskey. You know, deciphered by the Alan Turing Distillery. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yep.
It's a code I don't want to break.
World War II jokes.
Yes. No, I'm thinking, what's the drink? What, the bartender's joke that when you just take all the trays from the bar at the end of the night and you pour it into a drink.
Like a jungle juice kind of a thing.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
That sounds awful.
Maybe not quite that bad, but not great. So anyway, cheers. Thank you for your gift that we gave.
This very puzzling whiskey.
Yes, exactly.
We're very difficult to buy presents for. Our families hate us on
Hard to shop
Christmas.
for.
Pretty much. Fans hate us. Stop.
Oh boy, another kilt pen. Thanks.
Got some kick to it. Thank you, boys and girls, for watching the show. If you like the stuff that we're doing, please give us a thumbs up down below. Remember, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more content like this one, check out these videos over here.